Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I did these cute Christmas themed cat eye nails using gel extensions. If you're interested, then definitely keep on watching. I'm going to go in depth with the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well for more nail content. So I'm going to start by prepping my nails. I'm using the Sally Hansen cuticle remover just to soften the cuticles. And then I'm taking my cuticle pusher here and pushing back those cuticles and getting rid of any dead skin that's on the nail bed. Then I'm taking my cuticle cleaner there. You can use a nipper if you like. I'm just more comfortable with that. After that step, I'm going to be taking my nail drill here on the lower speed and the flame bit, and I'm just going to be going over any excess like dead skin that's just around the cuticle that is just needs to be cleaned up a little bit more. Now I'm just buffing out the nails here with a buffer block. You can also use an e-file if you like. I like to use a buffer block. And then after that, you can go ahead and wipe your nails off from the dust. Now for the gel extensions, I'm using the Apres gel extensions in the shape medium almond. Next, I'm using the Model 1's Nail Dehydrator and Primer. This is going to dehydrate any oils that are on your nail bed. We want to make sure that our fingernails are not oily. And then I'm taking the Model 1's Nail Primer, which is going to help with the base coat application or your whatever base coat that you're going to use. Now I'm going to be etching the inside surface of the gel extensions, and now I'm going to be applying my base coat. So the base coat that I'm using is the nail glue by Beetles. I like to use that for my base coat, but you can use whatever you prefer. You can even use a peel-off base coat if you like, if you don't want them to last as long. And just apply a thin layer and then cure it for about 60 seconds. And just make sure you don't get anything on your skin. Now I'm applying that nail glue to the nail, and I'm gonna apply the nail at a 45-degree angle, and I'm gonna let the glue travel up to the tip of the nail all the way. Then I'm going to flash cure it for about 10 seconds or so. After I've applied them, I am going to flash cure the hand fully for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to be sealing the cuticle. This is an important step. It's going to help blend the fake nail with the natural nail. So I'm just using a sanding band, and very lightly I'm just going to seal the cuticle at the cuticle area there with a nail. Just make sure you don't overdo it because you don't want to change the shape of the nail as well. So just go very lightly. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and buff the nails using a buffer block. Again, you can use an e-file if you like with a sanding band. I'm still sealing the cuticle here, so I'm using a flat brush and some acetone. This is my favorite part because it melts the plastic into the natural nail and it looks so seamless. So this is really important. Make sure you do it to help with the retention of the nails as well. Now for the color that I'm using this one color here by Beetles. It's a nice deep red, and I'm going to apply 2 coats of that onto all of my nails. And in between each thin coat, I'm going to cure for 60 seconds. Now for the color I'm going to be using for the cat eye effect, I'm using this one by BORNPRETTY. They sent me some of their cat eye gel colors, which are super pretty, so thank you very much. You guys can use my code as well for 10% off. I'll link it down below for you guys. But basically, I'm going to apply a thin coat of that cat eye gel color. It's like a nice silver metallic color. You're going to apply a thin color, and then before you cure it, you're going to grab that magnet. I got that magnet off of Amazon. And then you're just going to hover over the nail there at like a diagonal. And then it's going to move by itself. So it's really easy to do. I'm going to show you guys how I do it with the other nails, just so you can see what I mean. So as you can see, when I'm hovering over it for like a couple seconds, it automatically moves it, and it's so pretty. You can play around with a magnet and do any other design you like. And once again, you can check out BORNPRETTY's colors. They have a lot of options, and that's literally the final look. It was super easy to do, you guys, and it's super festive. Now I'm applying a top coat. And then I went in with my favorite cuticle oil, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.